In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your time zone in Calendly. If your Calendly time zone isn't set correctly, it can create confusion when people try to book with you, especially if you work with clients or teammates in different locations. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find this setting, how to update it, and how to confirm that everything is displaying the way you want. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon, usually located in the upper area of the screen. Click on it, and then open Account Settings. This is where Calendly stores your personal account preferences, including your profile details and time zone settings. Next, select Profile. After that, make sure the General tab is selected. This tab contains your basic account information, so if you don't immediately see the setting you need, just double-check that you're in the right section before moving on. Now scroll down until you find the time zone section. This is the setting that controls how your scheduling availability appears across your account. When you reach it, click the time zone drop-down menu to open the full list of available options. From here, you can either search for your preferred time zone or scroll through the list and select it manually. Searching is usually faster, especially if the list is long. Choose the time zone that matches where you currently want your scheduling to be based. Once you've selected it, take a moment to verify that the chosen time zone is correct. This is an important step because even a small mismatch can affect your available hours and create booking issues. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. That will apply the update to your account. After saving, it's a good idea to open one of your event types and verify that your availability is being displayed in the correct time zone. This final check helps confirm that the change has gone through properly and that anyone booking with you will see the right scheduling information. If something still looks off, go back and review the setting one more time to make sure the correct option was selected. Keeping your time zone updated is a simple but important part of managing your booking page, especially if you travel, relocate, or work across multiple regions. Thanks for watching.